everyone, it's Brandon from All American Thrills here, and we're at Knoebels today checking out the construction progress on Impulse. There's been a very special delivery here at the park. You can see track for Impulse has started to arrive here, but a lot has also happened at the site of Impulse. So we're going to go check that out right now. Let's go. Here we are now taking a look at the construction area for Impulse. Since our last update, the big circular concrete pad was poured. In our last update, it hadn't been poured yet. It was actually poured just a few days after our visit. Many of the other footers have also been poured and uncovered. We're going to take a look at that now. As you can see, many footers, as well as some other concrete work going on. I believe it was posted that the pad is going to be for the helix part of the coaster. We know Impulse is going to be a very compact coaster, and you can really see that by how close together all of these foundation footers are. Almost like a little mini sea of footers. And now we're heading over to the track, which was just recently delivered. There was only 4 pieces of track delivered and no supports, but our next update will feature probably more track that has been delivered, and we would assume supports. The track looks very nice, and I really like the color blue. Okay, that wraps up our 5th Impulse construction update. Thank you for watching. For more Impulse construction updates, make sure you like All American Thrills on Facebook, follow us over on Twitter and Instagram, and also surf around on our website at allamericanthrills.com. Thanks for watching. See you, everyone.